Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas cottage interior. I've already created my cottage. I've added character by using wooden beams, paneling, wooden textures, stone texture on fireplace, wooden furniture, and rustic style lights. All the items and textures can be found in our catalogs. Now let's add some Christmas magic. If you click on Catalogue and type in Christmas, you will find loads of decorative pieces. I will add Christmas tree, Christmas decorations, and soft furnishings to totally transform this space. Let's start with the Christmas tree. Now we can add some Christmas stockings. Remember that you can resize every item and you can change the texture of everything. We can add some decorative pieces. Now we can add some soft furnishings and our winter cottage will be finished. Now it's time for a render. And this is how our Christmas cottage looks after rendering. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.